Hi, I'm Johnson, and I'm here to teach you how to draw the Lewis dot structure of HCN. HCN is also known as hydrogen cyanide. It's made up of three elements, well, from the name itself: hydrogen, carbon, and nitrogen. Hydrogen has one valence electron, while carbon has four. Nitrogen has five, for a total of 10 valence electrons on it. Before I show you how to draw the the Lewis dot structure of HCN, let me explain to you what Lewis dot structure is. Well, Lewis dot structure is a very simplified representation of valence shell electrons in a molecule or in an element. The Lewis dot structure should follow the octet rule. From the name itself, octet means 8. In octet rule, it states that atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons so as to have 8 electrons. Well, basically, all the elements wants to have 8 valence electrons. Why? It's for them to be like or to have similar valence electrons with the noble gases. Noble gases are unreactive, basically. There's an exemption in the octet rule. There are elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, bromine, iodine, and fluoride. It doesn't exist alone, but as a diatomic molecules. It basically says that it doesn't really need 8 electrons. It just needs 2. Now back to our objective, I'm going to show you how to draw the Lewis dot structure of HCN. As I said a while ago, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, while carbon has 4, and nitrogen has 5, for a total of 10 valence electrons. Since hydrogen is a diatomic molecule, it only needs 2 electrons. So from 10 valence electrons, we're going to reduce 2 from it. So since we're going to reduce 2 from it, and a horizontal line represents 2 electrons. So we're gonna draw one horizontal line in the middle of H and C, and it represents 2. Now we only have 8 valence electrons remaining. After that, we're gonna put all those remaining electrons in carbon and nitrogen. So since carbon originally has 4 valence electrons, we're gonna put 3 electrons in carbon, and the remaining 5 electrons will be placed in nitrogen. And then after that, we're gonna align the electrons in a way that it's placed in the middle of C and N. And after that, we're gonna put three horizontal lines, since we have 6 valence electrons in the middle of C and N. So there. C and N has 3 horizontal lines in the middle, and then N only has 2 lone pairs, which is the electron pair is not bonded. And since we have no valence electrons remaining, that's our Lewis dot structure for HCN. Again, that's the Lewis dot structure of HCN. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm sorry if I have grammatical errors or pronunciation errors, if that's a thing. And then I hope you learned something from my video. Thank you.